This condition is very common, and if you are suffering from it, don't worry. The chances are that many people in your surrounding are suffering from the same issue as well. Knee and joint pain can be caused by many different things. For instance, knee pain affects women who wear improper footwear, and sometimes it is caused by wearing out of the joints and ligaments. The good news is that many natural ingredients are shown to help with sore and painful knees and joints. You only need to know which ones to use. Forget knees and joint pain with this recipe. The ingredients used in this recipe contain anti-inflammatory properties which reduce inflammation and alleviate knee and joint pain at the same time. Moreover, this recipe calls for ingredients with high amounts of silicon, vitamin C, bromelain, and magnesium, all of which strengthen the tendons and ligaments. Ingredients: a cup of water, a cup of rolled oats, half cup of crushed almonds, a cup of orange juice, 2 cups pineapple, diced, honey, 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Instructions: add the oatmeal in a pot filled with water and cook for a couple of minutes. Once cooked, turn off the heat and allow it cool. Put the cooked oats in a blender along with the crushed almonds, orange juice, pineapple chunks, honey, and cinnamon. Blend well to create a smoothie. Consume this smoothie on a daily basis until your tendons, ligaments and joints strengthen and the pain goes away. It works because pineapple is abundant in vitamin C, which strengthens the skeletal system, as well as in bromelain, an anti-inflammatory agent. Cinnamon helps the knees and joints recover due to its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to improve circulation. Orange is high in vitamin C, which strengthens the tendons, ligaments, and bones. If you guys liked my video, then give it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel now to keep yourself updated.